Hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, a risk warning: your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not investment advice. So this video is another video out of my best binary strategies. Yes, and in this video I will show you how to trade with Fractal indicator. Yes, here default, yes, and the default of the stochastic oscillator. Yes, okay, we are here and I show you how to trade this. So we have here this fractal, we have here an inverted bullish hammer or a doji, and that is a fake breakout, and that's the reason why I'm doing a call here, because I'm sure that price will reverse from this level after this downtrend. Yes, and that is a good example that you cannot trade only based on the indicator. You should understand price action, those stuff which I have explained in the ebook. You see here the crossing from the fast line with the slow line, which is a confirmation, yes, that this will be yes, that we are getting here into a reversal. And but price action and those things which I have explained in my ebook, I had explained this much better and showed you this earlier before the indicator was showing me this. Okay, so let me see those things which I have explained in the ebook. Get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame and any kind of financial instrument. So get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description, and in the description we'll find also the link to the Facebook group. So you see, it got in the money, so that is a trend continuation. And I will do a call if price will, okay, I will do a call now. Why? Because we have here this fractal. Yes, this fractal. So this fractal is creating here a support level now, because this candle got above this level, and that means that we are already in a reversal, and we are getting here this fake breakout, which I was expecting before. The oscillator here, the stochastic oscillator, is going also in a reversal. It was a crossing. Sorry, this crossing of the stochastic oscillator is a sign that we are going here now into an uptrend. Yes, and that is the reason. You see here, we are here in overbought area. Here we are in oversold area, but we will most probably not getting out of this oversold area. And that is the reason why I will do now a put, because I'm sure that price will continue to going down, because we will stay now another few, yes, I would say another few minutes, yes, 1 minute or something like this, still into this oversold area. Yes, that is a tricky part, which you should, you can only understand if you have traded a lot of with stochastic, a lot of with stochastic, and understand that mostly the price will stay still into a oversold and overbought area for longer time. That is the same when the price will break out of the Bollinger Band. It will mostly continue to break to stay out of this. So that was already. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe to my channel. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye-bye.